Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix E73 error on Nest thermostat, full troubleshooting and repair guide. Fix 1 is reset the circuit breaker. Go to your home's electrical panel, then find the breaker for your HVAC or AC or furnace. Then turn the breaker off completely, then turn it on again. Second fix is unclog the AC drain line. Check the drain pan near the indoor AC unit for standing water. Then if the pan is full, the safety switch may have shut off power to the thermostat. Use a wet dry vacuum on the air door drain pipe to remove the clog. Third fix is check the RC wire connection. Turn off power to the HVAC system, then remove the Nest thermostat display. Make sure the RC wire is fully inserted and securely connected. Reattach the display and turn the power back on. Fourth one is replace a blown fuse. Turn off power to the HVAC system, then open the furnace or air handle panel. Then locate the small 3 ampere or 5 ampere fuse on the control board. Then replace it if it appears broken or burned. Fifth fix is restart the Nest thermostat. Press and hold the Nest thermostat ring or screen for about 10 seconds. Then release it when the screen turns off. Wait for the thermostat to restart and check if the E73 error is gone. Thanks for watching.